I decided to make this little thing. It's just a piece of old cloth that my mother used to use when she baked bread, and I want to make myself a few ribbons that I can use around the house. Just a reminder, a nice reminder for me. So I'm just gonna use my stamps and my inks, and I'm just going to stamp away, and I'm gonna put that side and turn it around and everything. You can see there's a few holes, but I don't mind. I will be it's part of its character, so I'm just going to stamp everywhere with different, maybe just this 2 stamps, the leaves and the birds. I will just see, and there's 2 colors, and then I will show you when I've finished. I will be tearing it up into strips. So not to bore you further, I'm just going to finish this, and then I'll show you when I'm finished. Now you can see what beautiful piece of material you can print for yourself. I don't think it's washable. I haven't washed it because, you know, you tie it around something that you make a craft or so on. But you can see I've just snipped it to the thickness I want, and I've teared it up, and I've got this beautiful pieces. You can there you can see I just used my black, and there I've combined it, so you can do different stuff. This one actually works for me also for a lot of different crafts. It blends into beiges and creams very nicely. This one as well, although, you know, it depends. I usually hold it against the thing I'm making. If I want to make, maybe put a ribbon around this protea, I will decide which one looks the best for me, and I'm gonna stick this one down there on the flower, so this one is going to look nice. So I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy video, and I will definitely see you next time. Take care and have a blessed day.